going on, guys? I'm out here working on the old Dodge. Got my Dodge out here. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. I'm JustMoparJoe. Working on my Plymouth Plymouth Barracuda, which I found out was a 68 model sport sedan. We don't want to call this a fastback because it's a Mopar, obviously. I can reveal to you here shortly what the gear ratio is. I've let that drain all week nicely. And some other stuff. I'm going to check on my park cable. Be sure that it's not, that it's actually in neutral when it says it's in neutral, so it doesn't take off running. I got a new carb to throw on, new fuel pump to stick in. I thought about trying to hook up that alternator again, just to be able to, I could have my fan spinning and all that, or I could run a short belt. I'll see how it goes. I'm gonna just bypass this for now and run some new hose up to my carb. But maybe, I'm not promising anything, might be able to test drive this today. Here we go. So Joe's in the back sealing up that rear end for me. You can see that cover. He's cleaning all that up. And I'm gonna go ahead and switch these carbs and get my fuel line ran and new pump installed in the back. I also need to run a new wire to that. I'm gonna throw a couple connectors on here, some females, tidy that up a little bit. This is just be able to get the car moving and around, and then I can start on the belt and such for this. So y'all hang out. Carburetor's been rebuilt and put back on because the holes in this intake wouldn't accept the big butterflies of a 750. So the 600's rebuilt and put back on. We got a fuel line ran here, got it braced up there. This is just for temporary. Kick down's hooked up better. Joe's got the rear end sealed up, polished up, sealed up, filled up. We got us a temporary fuel pump on here with a little inline filter hooked to the fuel cell right there. And got the fuel cell mounted. Did a little bit of cleaning back here. And just about a gallon of fuel in it right now. Some cleaning. We got it wired up to the switch control panel. So to test it, it works. When you turn the ignition on, you can turn that on. Pretty slick. And we're getting ready to start it. Ready? Yep. How do you like that? Try it. Ready? A little more. Hang on. Okay. I could keep it running my foot, you want me to? Keep running with your foot just for a minute, and let me try it. The rear tire. I'm gonna put it in park. Give me a pump. I'm satisfied, man.
Okay.
She lives.